Hello, so if you search my channel, you might find that I reviewed this Suntory Boss free promo that came with a can of their coffee in Japan. It's a cool little super deformed toy. It's better than Chorokyu, and it was free to someone in Japan. Anyways, I was perusing my local toy shops as usual, and I saw this in a display case, and this is actually a custom. Someone took the time to make the Fast and Furious 2 R34. Got a little sticker there. So let's take a look here. Alright. Nice striping. What I don't know is, how this person made these stripes. Are they decals or what? We'll take a look in a second. Alright. So starting from this side, we do have the standard wheels that came on this casting. Are those brakes in the middle? I forget. I thought there was some cross drilling to represent like brakes. That would have been cool. I don't know if this car actually has 6 lug nuts in real life. I don't think it does. Looking at the photos, I think there's 5 lug nuts. It's weird that they would have 6 there. Maybe that's like a center cap or something. I don't know. Anyways, the tires are rubbery because this is a pullback toy. It will actually go. Let's see. So this side of the car, you can see the dot pattern here of the printing. So I guess it has to be a decal. It was printed out and then put on. You can I think I can see the clear edge right there. Yeah. So it was really well done. I mean, this is some serious magnification I'm under. So this is normal 1:1 size. You can't see that edge at all. So whoever did this did a fantastic job. And then you got the sponsorship and all that stuff there. Okay, so the car itself never had clear windows. This is just the stock windows, I think. And then here's this rear wing, and there's a Toyo tires printed up there. Although there seems to be some black flaking off, as a decal. And I guess the person must have, just clipped off the police light from that one, and filled it in with some sort of putty. Okay, and then put this on here. Actually, this one doesn't belong on the movie car, so he was just trying to cover up that stuff with a decal of something, maybe a different project. And then here, the striping again looks pixelated. I can't see the edge under magnification, so maybe he cut the decal right to the edge of the blue. It's very good. Here you can see there's clearly a different shade going on. That's the clearness of the decal. So pretty good. The GTR logo there. This still has the police lights from the original toy, and then this is painted white, which is original, and black in here, and all that texture is all there. There seems to be some sort of decal, I think, coming across here, and then some extra glue or paint, who knows. Alright, so all the same mold details as the original review. Some reds flaking off there, unfortunately. Alright. It's pretty awesome. I like it. So, if by a random, very slim chance someone actually sees this video and you are the person that made this, thanks. This is awesome. I mean, I suppose I could do this myself, but I don't want to invest in buying, a color printer that prints on decal paper, and then just even if I had the decals, the amount of work it takes to put them on. And then I think it looks like it's been matte coated after it, so maybe the decals are sealed under paint. So this is clearly like a effort of love, so it's good. I'm really grateful that I was able to find this and buy it myself. Alright, well, let's take a look at that other car again, and I have a few other of these Suntory promo toys. So there it is next to the original one that, it came with. So the original one is really great. I mean, all these paint details and the molding itself is really cool. It's a little bit different than Chorokyu molding, which I will compare to a little later. But first, let's go over the rest of these Suntory vehicles. So there was another R34, but it's a police car. This is an undercover police car, and then this is the normal. Wait a second, my bad. This is the other R34 police car. So then this, I think, is an R32 or an R33, which I guess I'll put up here. So there's again an undercover and a normal one, and this one has a different, set of wheels, the mesh wheels. And then there's also an NSX from that collection. I don't know if they did an undercover one or not. I haven't bought any of these in the original packaging, which would have probably come on top of a can of coffee, so it would have been a circular package. But yeah, okay. So I also don't know what other cars there were. Were there other GTRs or other police cars like Subarus? Oh wait, there are. Hold on a second. Yeah, there were Subaru Imprezas. So here's an Impreza in police livery and the undercover Impreza. And so the Imprezas have gold wheels of a different type of wheel as well. So, So really cool. Even though you'll probably have to pay to get these castings off eBay or some other website. I don't know who sells these. I imagine they won't be that expensive because they were free originally. Well, technically you'd have to buy a can of coffee, but I think that's like $1.50 or something. Alright, well, let's look at a couple other R34s. Here's a different brand called CA Art, or Cart. I don't know. So a different type of deformation there. I like how that one has some side mirrors. Now here's a Chorokyu race car. Ah, I forgot. The headlight fell out. Let me get a different one. This one just has painted headlights, though. Strange. Chorokyu makes a lot of revisions to their toys. So that's a race car. And then here's a totally different deformation by Chorokyu of a different R34 race car. And now here's a street race car. And now there's a normal street car. Alright, so yeah. Even amongst Chorokyu, a lot of deformation, variances, different details. This one I like, it has mirrors and clear headlights, whereas the other ones are just painted on. Yeah. Now let me see what other ones I have, since I have the drawer out. Yeah, here's another one. This one has clear headlights, but as part of the body, the entire body was clear and painted. Whereas this one, they are physically separate pieces. Here's a safety car with some 3D printed wheels. It's just totally blacked out, but it's the plastic itself is blacked out. Here's another race car painted on headlights. So a lot of them I have 3D printed wheels. If the wheels look really nice, they're most likely 3D printed. Alright, I think that's quite enough for comparisons today, or introductions to other super deformed cars. So let's get this guy spinning over here. Got my cartoon character. I guess that's the closest cartoon rendition I have of a Paul Walker. At least it's blondish, yellowish hair. Alright, well, that's it for today. It's a real shame, Paul Walker has passed. But so as long as you like Fast and the Furious, you'll never forget him. And actually, I enjoyed him more in that movie with Jessica Alba, where they were diving for treasure. Although, truthfully, that may have been more the Jessica Alba that I liked than Paul Walker. But anyways, I appreciate you guys checking this out. If you like these super deformed toys, you might want to look up Suntory GTR. And I'm sure you'll find some search results and some listings of people selling them. Thanks for watching. Take care.